Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on building a responsive dashboard with React and CSS Grid for real-world applications. In today's fast-paced digital environment, responsive dashboards are essential for effective data visualization and user interaction across a wide range of devices. By utilizing the power of React and CSS Grid, developers can create dynamic and versatile interfaces that significantly enhance user experience. In this session, we will explore the foundational concepts, practical applications, challenges, and the modern-day relevance of building responsive dashboards with these technologies. Let's dive in and discover how you can leverage these tools to create impactful solutions. Let's begin by understanding the key concepts that form the backbone of this tutorial. React is a popular JavaScript library known for its component-based architecture, which allows developers to create reusable UI components that dynamically update and manage application state through an efficient virtual DOM. Imagine React as a set of building blocks that you can use to construct a complex structure where each block can be updated independently without affecting the entire structure. On the other hand, CSS Grid is a powerful layout system in CSS that enables developers to design complex, responsive layouts with precision. It provides a two-dimensional grid-based layout, allowing for the flexible placement of elements within a grid that adapts to different screen sizes. Think of CSS Grid as a dynamic chessboard where each piece can move and resize itself based on the available space, ensuring your layout remains consistent and visually appealing. Responsive design is an approach that ensures your dashboard adapts seamlessly to various devices, from desktops to mobile phones. It involves using fluid grids, flexible images, and media queries to create a consistent user experience. Consider responsive design as a chameleon that changes its colors to blend with its surroundings, offering an optimal viewing experience regardless of the device being used. Now let's translate these concepts into a practical code example. We'll set up a simple responsive dashboard using React and CSS Grid. We'll start by setting up our project with the necessary dependencies and structure. Here's a look at our package.json file, which outlines the essential dependencies and scripts for our React application. Let's take a closer look at how our responsive dashboard functions in action. As we navigate through the dashboard, you'll notice each section, such as analytics, performance, and reports, is clearly visible and easily accessible. This ensures that critical information is readily available to users. Additionally, the dashboard's responsive design allows it to adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes, making it equally effective on both desktop and mobile devices. As we simulate interactions with various sections, you'll observe how the dashboard remains smooth and responsive, maintaining a consistent experience regardless of the device being used. The layout adjusts dynamically, ensuring that all elements are visible and well organized, providing an optimal user experience. In conclusion, building a responsive dashboard with React and CSS Grid is a valuable skill for developers aiming to create intuitive and accessible user interfaces. By understanding the key concepts of React's component-based architecture and CSS Grid's layout capabilities, you can deliver impactful solutions that meet the demands of today's digital world. This tutorial has provided you with a foundational understanding and practical insights into creating dynamic and adaptable interfaces. I encourage you to apply these techniques in your projects and explore the endless possibilities they offer. Thank you for joining us, and happy coding!